Okay, with the Thatcham Category 5 Thatcham and insurance approved tracking system, you get a driver ID, tag, fob, connection of some description. So in this system we've got a tag. So the way it works is, providing the tag is in range within the vehicle when the vehicle is being driven, no problem at all. If the tag's not in the vehicle, so the car's been taken with a stolen key or a cloned key, but it moved but it can't see the tag, the system will generate an alert to the control centre. The control centre will contact the authorised owner to confirm whether it's a excuse me, whether it's a theft attempt or the owner's just forgotten their tag. So the tag's got a battery inside. If we press the tag gently there, we can see, get a flash. That means the tag's turned on. The tags do automatically switch off when there's no movement. When you move them about again, they switch back on automatically. But if you did want to keep one in long-term storage and switch it off completely, if you push and hold for a few seconds, you get the LED there. So now if I push that, you see there's no LED flash. So that tag's now turned off. If you want to turn it back on again, push and hold. Triple flash. So now we see that tag's turned on. So it's Thatcham Category 5 driver ID tag. We also do a Thatcham Category 5 system with driver ID and immobilisation, and we can configure that system so if the tag's not available, the car won't start. So if somebody takes your key, steals your key or clones your key, even with a tag, the vehicle, without a tag, the vehicle won't start. So you can have immobilisation added to the system as well. Keeps your insurance company happy.